Yes, welcome back again. Yeah, my name is Jeffrey Satizi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a still Dre, I would say, yeah, by Dr. D.R.E. Say with Snoop Dogg. So this song is vibe, a hip hop vibe. So I just hear what they do, I just like. So I want to share it with you, in order to know how you can make a such kind type of beat. Yeah. So if you're new here, guy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video in the comment. So here we go. Yeah. Okay. The first thing I play, it is a main melody. I just play from this one plugin called a flip piano. I just play this chord as you hear simply, and it sounds good like this one. Yeah, so in order to get, I just arrange it in order to create this space as you see here. You come here in this button, then you go to strum. In control you can press a alt S, alt S a shortcut, but you come here in this one and go to strum, and you put to strum. You can arrange your settings according to what you want to hear in your such melody. Yeah, so after that I play this one. Also I just duplicate it in this piano and I play down, simple as this. Yeah, it sounds like bass or something, so I hear from that song. Also I just add this one as an string, yeah, simple like this one. From this as one I just add the delay here, press V, and reverb, and you see. Yeah. On the free piano I just add the reverb only. On the second free piano I just add this one, multi-band compressor. I just mix at the bass, as always I mix my bass, so I just like to use this foot multi-band compressor in my bass. So just I put it as that melody as bass. So after that I play something I play here. It is this one. Yeah, this it is. I just play from Morphine. It's called the steel guitar. When you come here to strings, then steel guitar. This one. Yeah, it is preset. So just use it, and then I just play a. So I just add a delay here. I just put weight to 22%, and I just reduce some levels to 20%. Also this one I just put it to 4 times time, and later just remain to 1.1 hertz. So that was my melody. So for my drums I just arrange simple as I hear in the song. So I just play simple like this one. Yeah, this is my kick, and the good interest in my kick here, I just this one kick in middle I just reduce the volume, I just reduce it volume. That is how it sounds like this one. After that I play this one. Oh yeah, sound like I had open hat. Yeah. Yeah. After that I play this one's name. After that I play this one hat. This is called, yeah. After that I sing. So in my drums bass, just play drum bass. There is my favorite drum called a trap drum. I just also just make sure this one is going to be high cut, you know. Yeah, so just reduce the amount of air, just make it clean here, not vintage clean here, and here also I just make in small, you know, not medium or punch, just a color smooth, that is smooth, medium or hard, so I just put in smooth. So punch also here you see as the punch, I just make it in uh, 15%. Yeah, simple like this one. So let's reduce some volume of my kick here, put it until the other. Yeah, so after that let here what I prepared for today. So sorry. Fox. That is I arranged it for my tutorial. So thank you for watching. My name is Fox. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss a tutorial like this one. You know, also if you have your song or your favorite song you need to be remake, also please know in comment down there. So thank you for watching.